Okay, question 6 sine hyperbolic function. It's only one function. Check out the description box. You'll find our links for other recordings for this exemplar paper. So our question 6, basipu f of x. For the first one, they want us to write down our equations of our asymptotes. So in our asymptotes, we have how many? 2. We have the vertical asymptote, which is x equal to. Sibuye sibe nani? Ne horizontal asymptote, which is y equal to. Okay, so for the horizontal one, sizoba no y equal to minus 1, and then for your vertical asymptotes, x equal to negative 4. X equal to negative 4. Sithatha lo x plus 4 equate to 0, then we solve for x is total minus 4, right? Because the x shouldn't be, the denominator shouldn't be 0. So the asymptote, asymptotes, they are basically saying your x shouldn't be equal to minus 4. Why? Because of izoba undefined function yethu. Also, our y must not be equal to negative 1. Why? The function is undefined at that point. Asymptotes wethu ke la. 7.2. Calculate the intercepts of the graph of f with the axes. Okay, the thing ihlalele kahle. Okay. Y-intercept, right, where we let x to be equal to 0. Now we define our intercepts wakho. They are simply saying get our x and y intercepts wakho. Okay, so kuyoba y equal to 2 over, where there's x ngiyofaka 0, plus 4 minus 1. The answer line should be minus 1 over 2. So the coordinates are 0 and minus 1 over 2. Then siyaku x-intercept. X-intercept. Where the y should be what? 0. Where the y is equal to 0. So lana about 0 equal to 2 over x plus 4 minus 1. Transpose 1. Figure ngapha positive 1. 2 divided by x plus 4. Cross multiplication, uthola ubani, x plus 4 equal to 2. Transpose 4, you end up with x equal to a negative 2. With x equal to negative 2. Guess what? Coordinate lakho kuyoba minus 2 and 0. Then on the next question, they want us to plot the function yethu. Right. Manje ke sizoplota this one. I'm gonna use let's use green for my asymptotes. Okay, so asymptote yethu kuqala, the horizontal one, it's y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Now y equal to 1 la. This is y equal to 1. Y equal to minus 1. And then sibano x equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay. Together so. Okay. Voila. Then you're plotting a red. But before plotter, let me write down x. The equation for this asymptote. X is equal to negative 4. X is equal to negative 4. X equal to minus 4. As he plot again, using red. Okay, so x-intercept yethu 1, 2, negative 2 and 0. Negative 2 and 0. Then siba no 0 and minus half. 0 and minus half nangula. Then our graph is over something like this. Izowenza something efana nale. Okay, then siba nenye ke function, another part of the graph which goes something like this. Ends something like this. Okay, izowenza something like this. All right, so Leonard, this one shouldn't worry you too much, ne? As long as you got the shape right and it doesn't touch ama asymptote, it's fine. It's fine. All right, so another thing in we mentioned the A actually determines the shape of the graph. If your A is bigger than 0, it means that the graph yakho izowenza something like this relative to ama asymptotes wakho. If your A is less than 0, your graph is gonna do something like this relative to ama asymptotes wakho. This X, it's ama asymptotes. This X, it's also ama asymptotes. Okay, right. Going back to this function, because of the A is bigger than 0, that's why graph yami draw like this relative to ama asymptotes wakho, not the system of axes, not the x and y axis system, ne? But relative to ama asymptotes wakho. Okay, so for the 7.4, but you write down the coordinates of the image of x-intercept if it is reflected about the axis of symmetry. Siyazi moskuthi our hyperbola in our system in our axis of symmetry are 2. Axis of symmetry number 1, axis of symmetry number 2. The axis of symmetry le in a positive gradient. The axis of symmetry lena in a negative gradient. Negative gradient, positive gradient. Uyabona? Negative gradient and positive gradient. So, uma uthatha ukubheka this axis of symmetry abasiphe yona, it's what? Injani? It has a negative gradient. So they are referring to the axis of symmetry lena. This one. In a negative gradient. This one, Naila. Oh, did I erase? Yeah, I did. Okay, so answer. So again. Oh, okay. I'm drawing on the wrong place. Okay, so this is the axis of symmetry. I promise this time is over. Voila. Okay. So, but again, actually, this we are drawing a line, guys. So, ne? We want to reflect this line, so projected to this graph. In fact, this graph man are equal accurate. That's the problem. That's another problem. Okay, but then if you are reflecting this point, you want to get the image of this axis, this x-intercept. Komele we reflect endaweni ezi2. The first one is this. You reflect about this line, then we reflect about this line, this vertical line, right? Back. I'm saying uzothatha this point, we reflect about this line, yobala. Then you have to reflect it again about this vertical line. Since there's 1, 2 step away from the vertical line, shukuti now your reflector is over somewhere here. 1, 2 step away from the vertical line. So eventually the point will land here. Then this is the image of ulokanj, u2, u-2 and 0. Then you're gonna get the coordinates. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go about -6 and then go about 1, 2 like this, right? So the y go about -2. This is how you get a reflection yako of this point graphical. Now, there's also an algebraical method. Just good saying with this time. Right now I can't angikhona ukuyikhumbula kahle le method, so that's why I decided to stick with the graphical one. Okay, so this is how you get the coordinates for the image of this point -2 and 0. Okay, I'm hiding this. 7.5 again, manje. Participale the range of. Okay. Asize la. Yabona for f. for f, what is the range for f? What is the range for f? The range, it's the set of y values that are, okay, a range is the set of all valid y values in the function f. So range is y element of real numbers except for y equal to minus 1. The y shouldn't be equal to minus 1. Okay, leso sikhathi ngikhipha ini i-range for u-function f. Angiphenduli u-7.5 yet. Manje ke we can start tackling. I just wanted to refresh memory yakho on writing down a range for a hyperbolic function. And then as for a domain, it's gonna be x element of real numbers where x is not equal to minus 4. This is your domain. Ngiyakukhumbuza. Now check out this function. Just take a look at this function. Yeah? Take a look at this function. The function lena, they basically took the f function then by multiplying ngobani ngo minus 1. Yeah, they multiplied by a negative. Then you take this function, you multiply it by a negative. Plus 4 minus 1. So now multiplier, you end up with something efananali. Yeah, your multiplier there. Yeah, is your multiplier this. Yeah. So this, it's gonna remain as a positive 4, then go about plus 1. Then the range for this new function, what is it going to be? The range for this one, it's gonna be y element of real numbers except for y equal to 1. So the y shouldn't be equal to positive 1 because of the horizontal asymptote or the y asymptote. It's now positive 1. We just exclude our asymptotes weight whenever we write the domain and range. Okay, whenever we write down the domain and range. Okay, 7.6, describe in words the transformation of f to g. If this is g, if this is g, if that is a g, if that is a g. Oh, let's do this. And then need to go. There's two reflections. This looks like a reflection. Back. My a was once positive, mine is negative. Okay. Something happened. Something took place. Usually nangabe kuba nama transformations abakanjalo sola. It's a sign ukuthi a reflection took place. There's two types of reflection. There's a reflection about y-axis. Of course, you ungathola nalama reflections about like this one. A reflection efana no 7.4. That can take place. But usually sibana two yama reflections. The one about the y-axis and another one about the x-axis. Another one about the x-axis. The one about the y-axis, you just say y is equal to f of x minus x. Okay, all right. Let me explain it has nothing to do specifically nalo f of x. I'm just making an example. I'm trying to say a reflection about the x-axis. You basically take the x, all the x values on your function, or multiply ngobani or minus. Reflection about the x-axis, you take the whole function or you multiply ngobani or x, which translates to this. You take the whole function. Which function? The function kabani ka f. You take the whole function, the function ka f, we multiply on negative. You're gonna end up here, but there is an error la. The way ngibona ngakhona. Mara is there an error? Is there? Well, yeah, The way yeah, no. There's something wrong. Something is up. Something is up. Back. I did this calculation on the previous question. This 7.5, it should be, okay, it's somehow related to 7.6. Why? Because of there's a minus f of x. It means that this is a reflection about y, about the y, I mean, reflection about the x-axis. So reflection, yes, reflection about the x-axis. It's a reflection about the x-axis. What am I saying? What am I saying? Let's go back. Reflection about the x-axis. Yeah. Reflection about the x-axis. Reflection about, this is a reflection about the x-axis. When you take this function, f, we multiply by, you take f of x, ne? You take f of x, you multiply ngobani? You take f of x, you multiply on negative. You're gonna get to g of x. It should be that way. Minus, open bracket, then 32 over x plus 4 minus 1. Yeah, something is not right. Something is not right. How do you get a negative? A negative 4. Or maybe, nah, reflection about, it should be reflection about the x-axis. By that one mark, ne? By that one mark, it's telling Guti it should be a reflection. If there were transformations that took place, like I will shift to the some units up, down, or okay, so some certain units up or down or left or right, if that took place, it was supposed to be more than this one mark. So Lana, something is not right. Usually when I see an A that is a negative, that has changed the sign, there should be some reflection that took place. Lana, it was supposed to be a plus 4 and a plus 1. Ne? A plus 1. This negative only multiplies one single fraction. Lapha phezulu I multiply lapha ngaphansi, and nala ku1 it multiplies nakhona. So soba no plus. It was supposed to be something like this. Something like this. Okay, this concludes our recording for this question 7. I hope we enjoy it. Check out the description box for more content in create here on this exemplar paper. As for now, asibonani on the flip side. Peace.